Hello everyone. I am William. I am the host of this program. Thanks for listening to today's podcast. Are you getting confused to search your nearby Apple Authorized Center? Do you want to fix your iPhone issue using Apple Care Plus? Then, here is good news for you. Today, I am going to introduce you with iTech Xpress, the most reputed Apple recommended service center. This is now just a far away from your residence. iTech Xpress is a full-service repair shop that is enough to provide you a satisfactory output. Their professionals are ready to accept any kind of challenge anytime. Express your problems towards experts and wait for the magical outcomes. They are enough responsible to do their duty on Apple Care Plus customers. To know more, you can search them at https://itechexpressing.com. If you want to get specialists to touch directly, do not hesitate to call them at 626-777-4747. Goodbye everyone for today. Stay tuned with us.